live in it. Dogs need live nutrition, which is why I formulated Rough Greens, with live vitamins, minerals, probiotics, omega oils, and so much more to help your dog with all of their health issues. I'm so confident that Rough Greens will help. My dogs and I will send you a free Jumpstart trial bag so your dog can try it before you buy it. You don't have to change your dog's food to improve their health. Just sprinkle on a little Rough Greens. They'll love it, and it's an easy and smart way to get your dog feeling better and living longer. A free Jumpstart trial bag can be yours. You just cover the shipping. Go to roughgreens.com. That's RUFFgreens.com.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services, starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
This is a Fox News alert. Control of Congress remains undecided on Lisa Brady, but one closely watched seat has just flipped in New York from blue to red. Congressman Sean Patrick Maloney, who chairs the Democratic Congressional Campaign Committee, conceding defeat and focusing on the bigger picture for Democrats.
We gave it our all, and we beat the spread.
Maloney's loss makes Republican Mike Lawler the congressman-elect.
This election was never about me. It was about the voters of my district and the future of their families.
But the concerns many Republicans focused on, including the economy and crime, weren't enough in the end to make a red wave. 218 House seats are needed for the majority. Republicans now have 202 in the Fox News projections, with some 60 or so House seats left in play. The Senate is tied at 48 seats apiece, with 4 races too close to call. Earlier, Republican Mehmet Oz conceding his Pennsylvania Senate race to Lieutenant Governor John Fetterman. Dr. Oz in a written statement saying he wishes Fetterman the best, both personally and as a senator, and that the country needs everyone to put down their partisan swords and focus on getting the job done. Officials in Maricopa County, Arizona, just holding a briefing on mail-in ballots being processed by a bipartisan team after signatures are verified.
Different parties sitting across from each other, taking those ballots out of the green affidavit envelopes, making sure that the ballot isn't damaged, making sure that it's not torn, making sure that it doesn't have red ink on it, making sure that it doesn't have coffee on it, anything that would inhibit it from being tabulated.
Some 86,000 of those ballots now being added to the count, with Arizona's Senate and governor's race still too close to call. And County Recorder Stephen Richer says they will now move on to some 50,000 more ballots dropped off on Monday. America is listening to Fox News.
Democrats say that high inflation would go away after the Fed's rate hikes, but month after month the numbers prove nothing has changed. In fact, food and housing prices are still going higher. Meanwhile, Biden is still finding ways to print more dollars. Hi, this is Stephen K. Bannon, and I urge you to take action to protect your savings from inflation. How? By diversifying your current retirement funds into a physical gold IRA from Birch Gold Group. To see how it works, simply text the word PROTECT to 989898, and Birch Gold will send you a free info kit on gold IRAs. This 20-page guide will answer all your questions about using gold in your retirement account. This is the best way to stop your purchasing power from being stolen by Democrats like Joe Biden. So text PROTECT to the number 989898. That's PROTECT to 989898 to get your free info kit on gold. There's no obligation or purchase required.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services, starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Jamie's log, progressive, the Harrington's backyard, day 27, 3:33 a.m. 333. All those threes mean something, or I may be losing it. Been camped in the Harrington's backyard for 27 days now, proving that Progressive has 24/7 protection. They told me every day they understand what 24/7 protection means. Think I'm finally getting through to them. 333.
Progressive doesn't just offer a great price when you bundle home and auto. We offer round-the-clock protection, just not literally from Jamie. Coverage from Progressive Casualty Insurance Company, affiliates and third-party insurers, and subject to policy terms. Bundle discount not available in all states or situations.
Membership fees apply after free trial. Cancel anytime.
Can I be real for a second? That goal you have to exercise and eat better, you really can do it. But nobody is going to do it for you. And nobody has to, because you can do it if you have the right tools and a community that cares about helping you get results. And that's us, Beachbody. It's as convenient as your TV or laptop, but you need to decide that you're worth it. Let us help you succeed. Here's how. Go to beachbody.com to claim your free membership and start feeling great.
Dancing crew, trip for 2, nailed the final interview. Game with Doug, brand new mug. Come here, kid, give me a hug. The more you want to do, the more we want to do. Boosters designed for COVID-19 variants are now available. If you've had your primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster appointment as soon as you're eligible. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Ready for some good news? The White House has announced a major student loan debt relief plan. This is great news if you have a federal student loan. We also urge anyone with a student loan to get ready. The COVID payment pause for student loans will end on December 31st. We are the Department of Financial Protection and Innovation, the government watchdog for Californians with student loans. You may qualify for relief. Check your eligibility now. Go to dfpi.ca.gov/back-on-track and see why so many people are celebrating.
Injured in an accident? Visit superwomansuperlawyer.com.
It is Wednesday, November 9th, the day after the election. Got a lot to discuss with you here on Clay and Buck today. We have seen most of, certainly not all of the results. And let's just put it out there right now. It is not what we were hoping for. It was not what the polls indicated as a red wave. And because we still don't know the final outcome here for the Senate or the House as we speak to you right now, it's very tough to give an assessment as to exactly where this falls and what happened last night. It is likely, let's just start with this one, and Clay and I we were texting we had a party last night, which was fun. There was fun.
Laura described it, my wife, as the equivalent of going to the Super Bowl party when the team that loses the Super Bowl has the Super Bowl. Now,
so, I mean, it
may be a little bit aggressive.
She's not wrong. She's not wrong. So let's dive into a few of the. Let's take stock of where we are, because there's an enormous shift, I think, in perception for where this country is politically that is just filtering in right now. I want to start with this. I thought it was going to be a much stronger night. Clay thought it was going to be a much stronger night. In fact, I don't really know anybody who didn't think it would be a very good to even fantastic night for the GOP, and here's why. We had said polls had been wrong in the past. They had been wrong in favor
of Democrats in the past. So it felt like there was a bias, a journalistic bias, or similar to a journalistic bias with polling where it always favors the Democrats.